Hi, welcome back to the Baker channel. Today we're gonna show on how to use the ESM60 digital oven. ESM60DG has 8 functions, which is bake, broil, roast, bake and convection, ferment, broil and rotisserie, broil, rotisserie, convection, defrost. For your easy understanding, bake is top and bottom heat, broil is top heat, roast is bottom heat, bake and convection is top bottom with convection fan. To select function, switch the knob and choose your desired function.
This knob is to set temperature.
For the function bake and bake plus convection, push the knob to set the top and bottom heat accordingly. You can look the screen for the icon. To set top and bottom heat together as one, no need to press the knob, just set the temperature as usual. When the oven is working, you can long press the temperature knob to see the actual temperature of the oven. This is timer knob and also start pause knob. Switch this knob to set timer and just press to start the oven. You can also pause your oven by just press the knob. Press again to start back your oven. When the oven is working, long press the knob to stop and return to initial status. Clean outside of the oven with damp cloth. It's the same for the interior of the oven.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on the Baker channel.